Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. U.S. small businesses are still suffering from high inflation and interest rate. The NFIB, National Federation of Independent Business, Small Business Optimism Index decreased marginally in February to 89.4 from 89.9 in January, marking the 26th consecutive month below the 50-year average of 98. On the other hand, a survey by Goldman Sachs' 10,000 Small Business Voices, a policy advocate for small business owners, revealed a relatively rosy picture. According to the survey, which was conducted in January, 75% of small business owners are optimistic about their financial well-being in 2024, up from 68% a year earlier. The survey also showed that 28% of small business owners rated the economy as good or excellent, up 9% from a quarter ago. More than half of the respondents said they expect to create jobs this year, and 62% expect their profits to grow in 2024. Meanwhile, on February 22nd, the CNBC SurveyMonkey reported that the Small Business Confidence Index reached 47% in first quarter 2024, marking its highest level since President Joe Biden took office. The survey, which was conducted online between January 22nd to February 1st, revealed that 28% of small business owners described the current state of the economy as excellent or good, up 25% sequentially and higher than 18% in the first quarter of 2023. Peak inflation is far behind us as the current inflation level is around one-third of what it was in June 2022. The CME FedWatch currently shows a 51.3% probability of the first cut of the existing Fed funds rate in the June FOMC meeting. On April 3rd, in a speech at Stanford University, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated that the central bank will start reducing the Fed fund rate at some point of time this year. However, he also cautioned that the time of the rate cut will depend on upcoming economic data, especially the inflation data. Small-cap companies have suffered from record-high inflation, a soaring interest rate, and fear of an impending recession. Further, small businesses are predominantly dependent on the domestic economy. They generally have very little access to export markets. Better-than-expected consumer spending has reduced the risk of a near-term recession. Sam Gutierrez, senior research scientist at SurveyMonkey, said, "We're kind of seeing a potential turn around the corner in terms of small business optimism. The small-cap-centric benchmark, Russell 2000, is up 3.4% year-to-date. We have selected small-cap, market capital less than $1 billion, companies that have strong potential for 2024. Within these stocks, we have picked those that have seen positive earnings estimate revisions in the last 60 days. 5 such small-cap stocks are Universal Technical Institute Incorporated, UTI, Diversified Energy Company, PLC, DEC, Regional Management Corporation, RM, Yext Incorporated, YEXT, and Interface Incorporated, TILE. Did you find the information useful? Let us know in the comments.